Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atunike. I'm really sorry my voice is a little bit down today, so I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous lovely wig, making use of Brazilian wool to achieve this gorgeous false lock wig. I braid with 6 strands of Brazilian wool, then I wrap with 4 strands of Brazilian wool. I didn't really braid the hair down. Can you see? I braid it a little bit, then I wrap with 4 strands of Brazilian wool. Do you grab that? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much. Wrapping the hair, you can see the way I'm giving the hair some gap from the back to the top. Just keep on watching. I know you grab 1 or 2 things, and this wig really came out so beautiful. I really love the outcome of this wig. It came out so beautiful. Kindly please keep on watching. It's very important for you to space the wig. Don't allow to space the hair. Don't allow them to come close to each other, or else the wig will be over full and heavy. It won't come out beautiful at all. So I didn't burn the tip. I just used a lighter just to lock the tip of where I tied the knot twice. Do you grab that? You are going to see what I'm trying to say. Just keep on watching. This is a very easy DIY wig, false lock, beautiful, gorgeous DIY wig. Now I'm going to be sewing down the lace closure net. I'll be sewing it down. That is what you are seeing me doing now. Just sewing it down. If you don't want yours to be big like mine, feel free to do that. It's not a must for you to make your lace net to be big. Your lace closure net to be big like that. You can make it a little. So it's not a must. Just work with anything that works for you. Do you grab that? Thank you. I love the outcome of this wig. I'm kind of blushing over blushing. Now this is the back side. You have to make this place kind of close to each other so that all the space at the back, it won't be showing. The last track must be close to each other so that all the space at the back, it won't show. So after I'm done braiding a little bit, I'll just keep on wrapping. You can see I allow the head to be close to each other, the last track. I'm going to be using eyebrow pencil to make a line so that it will be easy for me to work with, and I won't over braid hair. So you can see just drawing a line. That one is not kind of straight, but I kind of figure it out. Just keep on watching. When you crochet one strand of hair, do not braid the hair, as in do not use the one strand to braid the hair, or else it's going to cut, because I tried doing that. So that is why I'm tying in knots. I'll crochet one strand of hair, then I'm going to take 5 strands of Brazilian wool. I'm going to lay it on it, then tie it with the one strand of Brazilian wool I crochet. Do you grab that? Then I'll start wrapping. You have to be careful at this part when you're wrapping, because this is not a thick net. It's not like the net I crocheted from the beginning. This is a lace, as in a lace closure net, so you have to be careful. I hope I explained. Do you kind of understand what I'm trying to explain? I'm trying my best, but I'm very sure you understand what I'm trying to say. Just keep on watching. I want a side pattern, so you can see I kind of use a concealer to straighten the line. I made a mistake earlier. So this is the last track I'm doing. Yeah, this egg came out so beautiful. I really fell in love with the outcome of this egg. Now the final look. Wow, 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 wow. I added some accessories to add it up. Look at the back, it looks so natural. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your loved one, turn on notification bell. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao, love you. Mwah, mwah.